Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Instagram login problems. Quick fix step-by-step clearly. First, check that your phone has a stable internet connection using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Turn airplane mode on for 5 seconds and then turn it off to refresh the connection. Restart your phone to clear temporary system glitches that can block Instagram login. Open Instagram and confirm you are entering the correct username, email, or phone number. Carefully retype your password and make sure caps lock is not changing your letters. Tap Forgot Password and reset it using SMS, email, or your linked Facebook account. If you use a VPN, turn it off because Instagram may block suspicious locations. Set your device date and time to automatic to avoid security errors during login. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Instagram, then force Stop to restart the app cleanly. In the same menu, tap Storage and Clear Cache to remove corrupted temporary files. If login still fails, clear storage or data. Then reopen Instagram and sign in again. Update Instagram from the App Store or Google Play to get the latest fixes. If the update option is not available, uninstall Instagram and install it again. Check if Instagram is down by searching Instagram down and looking at live status reports. Try logging in on a different device or on a computer at Instagram.com to compare results. If you can log in on the web, the issue is likely on your phone app and reinstalling helps. If you cannot log in anywhere, your account may be locked or you may have the wrong password. Open your email and look for any security message from Instagram about suspicious activity. If you see a security email, follow the steps to confirm it was you and secure your account. If you have two-factor authentication, make sure you have the correct code source ready. Use backup codes if you cannot receive SMS or authentication app codes. If you change your phone number, update recovery options after you regain access. Go to Settings, then Accounts, and remove any old Instagram login entries if your phone saves them. Disable Battery Saver or Data Saver temporarily because they can block background verification. On Android, allow Instagram permissions for network and notifications to receive login prompts. On iPhone, allow Instagram notifications so you can approve security alerts quickly. If you see, please wait a few minutes. Stop trying for 15 to 30 minutes to avoid rate limits. When you can log in, immediately change your password to a strong and unique one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.